Hey guys, good morning everybody. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the continuation of the previous class is a quadratic equation. So see the difference between the previous class to this class is the small differences there. So see the question, 4x square plus 12x plus 5 is equal to 0. So yes, now tell me that what is the difference between the previous question and this question, guys. In the previous question is a quadratic equation, this is also a quadratic equation, but if you observe carefully you will get the one difference in the previous to this. So that is x square coefficient. In the previous case all those problems the your x square coefficient is 1, that should be that 1 only, but in this case there is a variation is coming. The other than 1 the numerical numbers happen, yes or no? So now tell me that if the numerical numbers are other than that 1, then how to solve the problem? That is the question, and remaining steps are asked is same. Our step number 1, while you are solving the problem, what to do? You have to check that given quadratic equation symbols are what? Here the symbols are what? Plus and plus. If your symbols are plus and plus, same plus, then your answer contain two negatives, that is 2 minus, means that you are coming roots of this particular quadratic equation are both are negative roots only, it's happened. Got me my point? So while you are seeing the question you have to decide that your roots may be the negative, may be the positive, right? But here we don't have that much of confusion. Here there is no confusion, guys. Here is the only one thing is what, if is the question is the whatever the questions are given, on respect on that we will decide that our sign symbols, that is symbols, either negative or positive, positive or negative. That is a point number 1. Now tell me that what is the point number 2? Point number 2 is x square coefficient is 4 and constant term is how much? 5. 4 5 is how much? Multiply x square coefficient into constant term, that is 4 into 5. In the previous case we done that 1 into 5, yes or no? Because of in the previous case x square coefficient is 1, that's why we multiplied 1 into 5. Now here 4 is there, that's why 4 into 5, that is 20. This is 20. Now next job is what? You have to write the reverse v below the 20 and take the tables. What tables you know that? For example, I know that in my mind it's come 4 5s are 20. Yes, absolutely correct, sir. But we have to careful that here before constant number what is the symbol? Plus. If here plus in the given question, if it is a plus, you have to add these two numbers to get how much? 9. Here is number is how much? 12. But here while you are adding this, how much you are getting? 9 only. But we required how much? 12. See Nana, here the numbers whatever you got the factors of the 20, what to do? Either addition or subtraction depends upon the symbol of the coefficient number. Symbol of the coefficient. Here coefficient number is a what? Plus. That's why I have to do the plus only. While I am adding 4 plus 5, that is how much? 9 only I am getting. But do you want 9? No. I want how much? 12. Now check again the factors of the 20. Can I write 10 2s are 20? Yes. While you are multiplying these two numbers, you have to get your this number, that is 20. In the same meanwhile, if you add these two numbers, how much you are getting? 12. How much you are they are asking? Here 12 also. Is matched or not? Yes, it is matched. Now these 10 comma 2s are now your factors of the given this particular question. This is up to here what? Previous method. Now apply the symbol. By the God's grace both are negative only. This much what you completed now, this same is happened in the previous class, yes or no? This is a model number 1 up to here. Now what is the difference between previous model to this? Up to here the previous model only. Now in this model what is the difference? That difference is when the x square coefficient is other than 1. When the x square coefficient is other than 1, you just do that, divide these two factors by how much? Here 4. Write the 4. Here also write the 4. If you are 10, write the 10. If you are 100, write here 100. Just divide and multiply. Divide and write that number. Now, next job is, if after that there is any cancellation in these numbers is happen. Now see the check. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. And here 2 2s are, 2 5s are. Right, got it? Now, here it will comes minus 5 by 2 is the first root. And the second is minus 1 by 2. Am I right or wrong? If the cancellation is not possible, sir, then leave it. If the cancellation is not possible, then leave it. If the cancellation is there possible, then you can solve. You have to solve. Up to that depends upon your multiple choice. If your multiple choice is a minus 5 by 2, then your option should be the minus 5 by 2. If you are 10 minus 10 by 4, then you are minus where what they want. Up to that you have to satisfy. You have to fulfill their jobs. Okay, this is the question number 1. Now check the one more question I will tell you. Here see, 6y square plus 27y plus 12. This is the next question, right? So how to solve this question? How to solve this question? The first step is what? Both are plus. Your answer should be both are negative. Yes or no? Both answers are negative. Step number 2, x square y square coefficient is how much? 6, and here is how much? 12. 6 12 6 I know that 72, and write the factors of 92. That is, in my mind I get that 9 8 is 72 is the first step. Then next step is what? Just add these numbers. 9 plus 8 how much? 17 only. But why I am doing the addition only? Here the symbol is what? Addition. That's why I am doing addition. Yes. Now, but they are asking that how much? 27. Is the 27? No. Then again what to do? Again take the factors of the 9. 3 3s are 9. And in this particular case, you do that. 8 into 3 how much? 24 and 3. Now that if you add these two numbers, how much you are getting? 27 or not? Yes. Now, if you have the doubt, check that. 3 into 24 how much? 72 only. Don't check guys again here. Don't waste your time, because of here 3 and 24 it comes from the factors of 72 only. This 3 and 24 is where it will happen in 72 factors only. In 3 table 24s are, and 24 table 3s are, you will get 72. If you are searching for the tables, you can't get it. If you are searching for the tables, you won't get the answer. How I am doing the problem? See that when I don't have any chance to get that factors to our number, then what to do? You have to do that again. Take the sub factors. We call it as sub factors. Sub factors means what? Here out of 9 and 8, you can take any number. You can write 4 2s up for the 8 also. There is no problem. I don't have any problem. You can. But when you are doing the sub factors, try to take for the larger number. Why? When after completion of few problems, you only get the knowledge. Okay. Now see that here by the God's grace both are negative. Here minus 3 and minus 24. Up to here this is a previous model only. Now what is it in new model in this particular problem? The new model is what? Y square coefficient is other than 1. So here you have to divide how much is that number by that number. Here there is any cancellation. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Here 6 1s are, 6 4s are. So here minus 1 by 2 is the first root and minus 4 is the second root. Got it? These are the answers for this particular problem, guys. Now I hope you enjoyed this, and after completion of this, take your own books and try to solve the maximum problems. Now up to here your quadratic equation, all the models is completed. Only 2 models for you. If anything else, you can post your question in the comment box. I will solve that. And if you want other any classes, I will take the class also. And depends upon which model you want. Up to that, bye bye, sign off. Thank you.